Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to find your Gmail password saved in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores all your saved login credentials, payment information, and addresses. It's essentially Chrome's built-in password vault that securely keeps track of all your accounts. From the submenu that appears, click on Google Password Manager. This will take you to a dedicated page where all your saved passwords are organized and accessible. The Password Manager is a powerful tool that not only stores your credentials, but also helps you manage them securely across all your devices where you're signed into Chrome. Now you'll see a list of all the websites and services where you've saved login information. In the search bar or by scrolling through the list, find the website named google.com or gmail.com. These entries contain your Google account credentials, which is the same login you use for Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and all other Google services. Once you locate it, click on the entry. This will open up the detailed view for that specific saved password. You'll see information like your username or email address associated with that account, along with other relevant details Chrome has stored for you. Now you can see the full details of your saved Gmail account. To view the actual password, simply click the eye icon that appears beside the word password. For security purposes, Chrome will likely prompt you to verify your identity by entering your computer's password or using biometric authentication like a fingerprint or face scan. This extra step ensures that only you can access your saved passwords, adding an important layer of protection. After you authenticate, your Gmail password will be revealed right there on the screen. You can now see your password in plain text, making it easy to write down, use on another device, or simply verify that you have the correct credentials saved. And that's it. You've successfully found your Gmail password in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.